Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are very fine and you are safe at home. Today, we are going to visit somewhere very exciting. There is a different picture. What is this? This is a circus. Have you ever seen circus? Have you ever visited? No. Okay, today I will visit to circus and I will tell you more interesting things about circus. Children, those who have seen the circus, they know different kind of animals, different kind of things we can enjoy in circus. So we will discuss about it. Let's move. Children, when we go to the circus, we see there different kind of things. People gather there. People go to circus and they take their seats to enjoy different kind of activities. Here some people are sitting. Why they are sitting here? Yes, they are sitting to enjoy circus. And in the circus, we see different kind of animals. Do you know which kind of animals you can see at circus? Yes, here is a monkey. Wow! We see monkey at circus also. He tried to show different kind of activities. Yes. There is one more animal. Do you want to meet? Yes, see that this animal is coming. Can you tell me who is this? Yes. Wow, this is lion. Oh, yes. Lion also we can see at circus. So children, are you enjoying? Yes. Okay. The lion is here. So we will see activity of lion also. How lion will show us. Let's move. Hey, here is something more for you. Who is coming now? Yes, this animal is very big in size. Can you guess? The color is grey and it moves very slowly because it is very big in size. Yes, it is coming slowly. Yes, who's this? Elephant. Yes, elephant will do some more activities, very interesting activities we will see with the animal. So children, many animals we can enjoy at circus. They perform different kind of actions there. The elephant which try to play with ball, rings, and monkey it jumps here and there. Doggies it try to cycling. The lion it try to move on ladder. It try to come down here there. Who's this? Very beautiful bird it is. Wow, it is a parrot. What is the role of parrot here? Yes, it is also very nice animal, but we can enjoy its activity also. So, these are the animals we can see in the circus. And the most important character of the circus is here. Clown, yes, and juggler who try to show us different kind of actions. Yes children, let's now move to the circus activities. I will tell you. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5. The name of the chapter is Sid Visits the Circus. Sid is a boy who is going to visit circus. Let's read the chapter. The sun had risen. Its rays fell on Sid, who was sleeping till 7 o'clock that morning. He woke up, rubbing his eyes, and jumped out of the bed quickly. Yippee! They were going to a circus that day. Soon he got ready. The school bus picked him on time. Hello, Sid, cried the other children. They were singing and clapping their hands joyfully as the bus sped ahead. Sped means moved at a great speed. When we are going somewhere in bus or car, and when the car or bus move at a great speed, it is called sped. Well, children, be careful, said the teachers as they counted the number of heads. So Sid is going to visit circus with school children. If anyone is lost, please do not cry, but reach the gate and wait there. Teacher is giving instruction to the all students. In any case, it is best not to get lost. So stay together. The older children must take care of the younger ones. Teacher has given the instructions to the children. If anyone lost in the circus, so they can stay together or they can reach the gate and wait there. And the younger one will be cared by the older one students. Yes, madam, said the children together. All children were saying, yes, madam. Sid was very thrilled because he had never been to a circus. He wanted to see how an elephant played with a ball. In the circus, there is a big elephant who played with a ball. Sid was very excited to see. They entered a huge tent and sat down on the chairs. The circus is a place where we come to enjoy the circus. It is made up of a tent, a huge tent, where we go to enjoy circus. The chairs had been set up around a big ring. The place was lit up with bright lights. A clown was running around the ring. He made people laugh with his funny tricks. The band was playing popular songs and the ringmaster was cracking the whip. Whip means a strip of leather attached to a handle and used to punish or beat animals. Two baby elephants came in, trumpeting loudly. One of them played with a ball, while the other one danced. They ran and sprinkled water. It was fun for the children. Next, a dog was seen riding a bicycle. Then came a monkey, performing all kinds of tricks. The monkey jumped through a fire ring and everybody clapped loudly. The next to come in was an acrobat. The acrobat performed somersaults and acrobatics. Then everyone left the ring. A big cage was set up. The music stopped. A lion and a tiger came inside the ring. The ringmaster made them perform a few tricks. Then the lion sat on its seat. As you can see the picture, the lion and tiger is there and they are trying to come out from the ring. The ringmaster made them perform few tricks. Then the lion sat on its seat. The tiger jumped through a large ring held by the ringmaster and the clown. Soon all the animals were sent back to their cages. The children were very happy. The performers came back and started waving and walking in a circle. Performer means the clown, animals, other people who participated in circus, they were called performers. So they came back to the circle and they were waving and walking in a circle. This was the final goodbye. Sid, his friends, and all other people stood up, clapping loudly. They had enjoyed the show. But the Sid was sad to see the animals in their cages. I'm sure they want to be free like us, he thought as he sat in the bus to go back home. So, children, it was the experience of Sid who enjoyed circus with his schoolmates, with classmates, and a lot of tricks, a lot of performances were there. He enjoyed elephant who was playing with ball and who was trumpeting loudly, and there was a dog who was trying to cycling, and acrobat, a person who does difficult acts such as balancing on a high tightrope, acrobat. And somersault means a rolling moment in which somebody turns over completely with their feet over their head, a rolling moment. So, children, it was the experience of Sid, who had seen there many animals like tiger, elephant, lion, dog, monkey, but he was little sad because animals were in their cages and he want they should be free like us. So, children, I hope you should also visit someday circus and you can experience like Sid. So, read this chapter thoroughly, read the difficult words which are underlined here, and write word meanings in your note. Thank you and have a nice day.